Hi everyone, on Windows 11, Windows Sandbox is a minimal installation of Windows that is isolated from the main installation that you can use to run untrusted applications without exposing your device. Sandbox is available on Windows 11 Pro and Enterprise, and it uses Microsoft's Hyper-V technology to create a lightweight virtual machine on demand to run a separate kernel that separates the Windows Sandbox session from the host. In other words, this is a small installation of Windows 11 of just around 100 megabytes, enough to run the desktop environment to test applications. Once you finish testing the application, closing the feature will delete the Sandbox environment, which means that every time you start the feature, you will start with a fresh install of Windows 11. In this video, you will learn the steps to enable Windows Sandbox on Windows 11. Use these steps. First, open Start on Windows 11, and search for Turn Windows Features on or off and click the top result to open the experience. Next, check the Windows Sandbox option, and click the OK button. Next, click the Restart Now button. After you complete the steps, you can start the app from the Start menu. Once you run the app, you will be presented with a regular Windows desktop environment where you can install and run untrusted applications without affecting the current installation. When you are finished, closing the app will delete the entire virtual machine and anything you have installed on it.
If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications, so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.